What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. Can you guys believe that another year has gone by, and once again we have a beautiful variety of Mother's Day items here in Dollar Tree. I'm just loving the green and the pink. These are so pretty. I thought they were magnetic, but no, the little lids actually lift off. A couple of these are stacking or stackable. They're just so pretty. And we have really pretty bags. And then the beautiful Bolero sets are here. Those are back from last year as well. All you need is love. And there's no place like home. These are definitely new. It looks like this might pull out a little bit, the heart. We have even more boxes down here. Different varieties, super pretty. Bloom. The flowers. Yes, and these are stackable. So if you look hard enough, you might find a big one and a little one. I think my favorite one is this little one. So cute. And then over on this side, we have really pretty bags, even more pretty bags. Super pretty. Super, super pretty. All different colors. And the little roses. Even more bags. Flower picks. Oh my gosh, this one is so pretty. Let's hang this little fan back up. We have the little fans that come out every year as well. Nice little fan. Wow, that's so pretty. And then over here, even more. I don't know why, but this reminds me of Versace. Like all of these kind of remind me of Versace, especially the yellow one. I don't know why. We have blue. We have red. This is such a pretty pink. I love the silver and the pink. Squeeze the day. Squeeze the day. That's what we have to do every day, right? Squeeze the day. All the pretty crate paper, pink and blue. This is such a pretty color blue. Wow. I saw this in the Dollar location. I just thought it was so pretty. But if you're more into blue, they also have a blue one. Luau Party Garland. That's really cute. Aloha, all the pretty straws and stirrers. You guys know I have these. Ooh, this is a felt banner. I like that a lot. The pretty napkins. Oh, look at these stripes. Those would be cute for a baby shower. I like those too. Wow, those are beautiful. Another LA Colors display. All the nails. You guys have probably seen these before. These are so pretty. I love the texture. My other location had these out, the Dollar location. I just love that. All the pretty bottles. Oh, look at the little fish. I love that. Feels really sturdy and nice too. It's heavy. The nautical jute balls. And what? These are new. Little DIY shiny glass ceramic pieces. I really like this one a lot. I love this fish too. Aw. Matching decorative mesh. LED wire lights up there. I'm too short though. I'm too short. More metal decor. Now this is a really, really pretty one. Look at this. So pretty. A little bit sharp though, so be careful grabbing it. And then these are new, as well as these. Ahoy. Oh, these are so cute. I love the white on blue. That's adorable. It looks so crisp and clean. This little one. That's so cute. Even more? Wow. The little clips. Oh, those are cute. I really like these two. Those are so cute. I just really love this collection. I mean, I love the beach. I like this theme. I don't really decorate with this theme, but it's such a nice, well put together collection that I just really love it. So many of the pieces are just so well done. As I mentioned in one of my other videos, I just feel like I'm in Hobby Lobby, or I feel like I'm in Michael's. If you guys haven't checked it out yet, definitely check out the Shore, what are they calling it? Shore Living, I think. This location doesn't have the little banner for it, but I think it's Shore Living. Graduation items. I think the glasses are so cute. And then behind me, all of the Memorial Day and 4th of July items. This week they added the wings, the fairy wings, and a lot of the scarves. These have all been added. Even gnomes. The gnomes have made it all the way through all the holidays. Oh my gosh, you guys, that's so pretty. Oh, that's so pretty. So thankful for all the love you give. Thank you for being such a great mom. That's beautiful. I really like that one. For my mother with love. You are the best mother anyone could hope for. So, on this special day, I wanted to make sure you know how very loved you are. Happy Mother's Day. This one is beautiful though. I really love this one. So pretty. It says just $1, not $1.25. Even more boxes. So many pretty boxes. Wow, I love these. Well, you guys, that's it for this video. Come back to my very next video. We have more aisles to explore here in Joy Store. I'm calling this one Joy Store. You guys know all of the locations by the names I give it. We have Joy Store, we have Dollree, and we have Jerry's Store, and then we have the Wisconsin location. So I don't know, it just kind of ended up that we just named these stores, these things, and now you guys kind of know where I am because I hop all over the place. We even have 2 for $1 cards and a lot of them. We're gonna see what else Dollar Tree has and see what other new items and name brand items we can find for the week. But all right, you guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.